Hey dancers, this very quick warm-up is for those days when you just barely made it to the studio, you're so glad you're here, and you just need to move your body a couple minutes before pliés start. So let's get moving together. Let's step back in a wide second, arms on the bar, drop your chest down towards the floor, big arch in the spine, little stretch through the hamstrings and the upper back. Demi-plie and roll through your spine, coming up through the center. Hips drop back one last time. Big stretch through the back, the hamstrings, the legs, and curling up to stand together. You're gonna bring one arm up into high fifth, circle it all the way back and around and up through high fifth. Let the chest go with you. You're starting to move your upper back. Up, other arm, circling around and up and circle around. Stepping into a wide parallel second position. Demi-plie, send your hips back into a forward bend. Plie deep and stand tall, squeeze your glutes. Plie, send the hips back, hamstring stretch. Plie and stand tall. Last time. Plie in parallel, hips push back, tabletop spine. Plie and stand tall. You're gonna lunge to one side, shifting your weight over to one leg, squeezing, standing tall. Over to the other side and standing tall. Moving your hips, feeling your feet pressing through the floor. We wanna warm up that ground contact as well. Turn your legs out, demi-plie into a grand plie. Push and stand tall. Feel your glutes, feel your deep hip stabilizers, turning your legs out. So we're warming up our turnout. Last time, down, whole foot contact and standing up. We're shifting our weight over to one side and standing tall. Shifting over to the other side. One more time. Let your ankles soften and relax as you shift and stand. Last time, over and standing up. We're gonna bring ourselves down onto the floor, roll down through your spine. Walk yourself out into a plank position and hold. Just a moment of plank. We only have a few minutes. We wanna make sure we're a little warm in our core. Bring one leg forward into a lunge position. Drop the back knee towards the floor. Keep the hips down towards the floor and send the leg back towards straight. Drop the knee, keep the hips down and try to straighten the back leg, stretching out the hip. One more time. Drop the knee, keep the hip down, send the leg. Step back into a plank. Hold, getting long, ribs wrapping. Holding strong, other leg circles forward. Drop the knee, send the hips down, heel straightens back through the back leg, and dropping the knee, hip stays down as the leg reaches long. Last time, down, and dropping as you send, good, and down. And sending back. Stepping back into your plank, walk your hands back towards your feet. Let yourself hang out with straight legs or slightly bent. Give me a deep, deep plie, and then straighten up into a stretch. Deep, deep plie, and straighten up into a stretch. One more time, plie, and straighten, rolling up through your spine. And standing tall, facing the bar. We're gonna roll the ankles, circles one direction, circles in the other side, circles and circles. Tendu front and parallel, cross and demi-plie, stretch out the top of the foot and stand tall. Add a port bras, demi-plie, stretch over if you want, stretching the foot and the side. Switching legs, tendu and plie, and straighten port bras to the side as you demi-plie, over stretching the top of your foot. Open the feet into first position, pressing up to your demi point and slowly resisting down. Pressing up and slowly down, keeping your hands on the bar. This is our warm up. So you get to hold tight and strong. Push down through the bar, wrap the back of the legs closed. Feel your harness hips pulling up, head pushing to the ceiling. Up and down. We're gonna press up and hold. Bring one arm to high fifth if you're ready. Other arm to high fifth. Hold your balance. Reach the arms high into your demi-plie and finish. That was 5 minutes. I hope class goes wonderful, and next time we'll try to spend a little bit longer getting warm.